At Boston Dynamics, we believe that human ingenuity should serve human life. So we designed Spot for you. The first one into the breach. The one going in when others are running out. The one diffusing the most dangerous situations. The one who always puts others' safety first. And we are grateful. It is why this simple idea drives every innovation at Boston Dynamics. That Spot isn't just a robot. It is the total embodiment of our conviction to build remarkable machines that empower and uplift humanity. So we make Spot to be first through the door, stepping in to keep good people away from bad things. We make Spot for first responders. We make Spot for you.